Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Graham?
Yes, me and Alicia are in our onesies. Don't worry, we have been out today. We haven't just stayed all day with our onesies on. We took Paco out and Nella.
And I went football.
We went to watch Alicia at football training and it's really cold, so we decided to come back in, turn the heating on and put our onesies on. My hair's messy because I've been running around the park.
And the birds are just like hating.
So as you can see, this is just, we don't really have anything planned in this video. Paco's just in his cage preening himself.
And I'm just eating this.
This is eating that tea cake. And the budgies are just going to fly out.
You've never met these budgies? Well, you have if you went onto my channel.
No, wait, they have met them, but they've never, because on the first video, we got them out, but we didn't get pineapple out. Pineapple's the yellow one, by the way. Yeah, that one.
Ready?
She's not tamed. She's evil. Don't wreck that toy. Paco will kill you. Look. And don't go in Paco's cage because Paco will kill you even more. Paco does not like it when other bears are in his cage.
You're going to kill yourself.
Is Wolfat? Was she? That one's a girl and then two in the cage. Misty and Nico.
Mister.
It's not Mister. It's still Misty, even though it's a girl's name, but I don't care. I don't care if I kill my girls' names. Nico, you can come out because you can fly as well. Misty, I feel your pain. But I can't fly either, and I don't think any humans can. You still up there? Misty, you're just evil. You
No,
bite
I'll get her out.
him. Use that door so Nico will on him. Right, you push him down to the bottom. He's very fast, by the way. Put him in the tree.
You're nice.
He's very angry. Oh yeah, we made a plan.
Have we?
Well, not you, but me. So basically, like in the summer, look, Nico doesn't have a tail. He lost all of his big long tail feathers. Anyway, in the summer, we've got the aviary still. So we're going to put all these back in an aviary. We're going to get Nico a girlfriend because he doesn't have a girlfriend. And then we'll see if anyone...
One of them just pooped.
We'll see if any... Look how small the poo is compared to Paco's. We'll see if any of them want to make some cute little babies.
I knew there'd be... Especially
Misty,
Nico.
you can't fly.
Nico would make so cute babies.
You know, little fat coloured babies. Come here. You little fatter. Come here. Your feet are so small compared to Paco's. If you hold Paco, you're literally going to...
No.
No, Paco's just sleeping.
Ah!
So
And she's just...
he's sleeping right now. Why do you keep following me? It's little.
No.
What is Pineapple doing? Looking inside the lamp. I know. I'm
No,
sorry.
he still knows
You don't like
step up.
people. I feel all the pain. I don't like people either.
Look, he still knows how to... Nico, please.
No, don't go beyond there, you big silly bird.
Hi, bird.
I wouldn't go up there either.
And Nico's just like, I'm going to eat.
Welcome to my house.
Welcome to the baby house.
You're so cute. I love his colour.
No, he's cute. Look how cute this thing is.
Right, you can get off that because that does not belong to you. You're not a baby.
Yeah.
But actually, you are. Don't go on there. You'll upset Paco. Actually, Paco doesn't even care about you, to be honest.
He cares about me, look.
Okay, you stay up there. Don't wind him up. He's having his beauty sleep. Any of you want to step up? I know my hand's very big. It's scary. Scary things. Wait, let go of him.
Nico, I know what I want to do. This is
Step
my
up.
dream.
I'm gonna. Right, you stand here. I'm gonna let Nico fly to you.
Okay.
Stand in front of the tree.
Okay.
Look how cute he is.
Nico.
Go.
Oh, Misty made it to the cage. Way. Well done. You can go back into the tree.
Where's Nico?
Fuck him.
Do you want to step up? I know you don't like me.
Well done, you little baby. Nico's just like, I want to fly.
Nico can fly. Nico flies like amazingly. Right, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna throw you. Yee.
Maya, look how cute.
Oh, he landed on his scooter.
Like the bird. Who's that watched birds all over her. You can go on here.
These are our pigeons now, apparently. Nico, come here.
No!
Oh, Misty didn't make it.
Oh, miss.
Do you want to do that again? Was that fun? Fun. That was very fun.
Fun.
Right, put him on the tree. Ready?
Nico!
Oh, you hit him out of in midair. It's okay, my birds are hard. Don't hit him when he's flying, he'll crash land. Paco just there like, I'm lonely.
You're alone.
Miss, no, yes, Daddy, I called you the wrong name, but it's okay, sorry.
Stop biting.
Move, you're gonna get killed. Okay, sit there. You can just like... Oh, sorry, my hand was in the way.
What?
He knows, Nico knows not to go on there. You can't get that bird, by the way. That's crazy.
Or can I?
No one can get this bird.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, you got him. Her. You got to bend her wing. Like, you just fly.
Life
Yeah,
is
fly.
bent.
You can't go on there. That is not allowed. No budgies allowed. Any parrots. You're going to get killed. That tiny beak versus... No, that big beak versus your tiny thing. You're not going to be able to survive this. He will kill you if you touch his toy.
Ah!
Where's Nico?
He's on there for you. Nico, shall we play the piano?
No, pass me Nico and then
No, we'll play the piano.
he'll like it. He's nuts.
Like me. Why isn't it working?
Look how cute that is. Look at that face. Nico, come here.
No,
I'll save you from this. You got a feather in your hair.
Oh yeah, I'm a bird woman.
Even though you don't own any birds. Turn around. I didn't say go on there, you big. Fly like an eagle.
I'm playing with we're gonna play with ice cream.
Where is he? He wants some ice cream. How old are you, Alicia? Please remind me.
5.
I don't think 5-year-olds play with ice cream trucks.
Yeah, it is. No, it is.
You've got your foot stuck.
Sure. Good.
He don't like to land in his cage, does he? I think he tries to land on the tree, but then misses. Do you want me to help you up on the tree? There you go. Alicia, remember you're on YouTube, okay? Look at that feather in your head.
Yeah, but I'm 5. You can't say no to a 5-year-old.
Look how fat he is. Look, don't you just...
Maya, can I just say one thing?
Come here.
Mister.
It's not Mister, it's still Misty, okay? I don't care if it's a girl name.
Oh, Misty.
Look, he has no tail, but it's so cute.
Look, Misty.
That bird's angry.
I see that. Big banana.
He's got rejected by a tiny bird. I don't think he likes his cage, you know. He landed on the baby's head that like went down there somewhere. Do you have him? No, you're not putting him in your onesie.
Please.
No.
Yes.
He rejected you.
No, he just.
Dude, you're gonna hurt him.
He's hurt.
Poor baby. You can go and watch some
I'm a
TV.
zombie. Why can't I get the birds?
You step up onto the big TV.
What are you doing?
He wants to watch telly. He's so friendly. He just steps up. He doesn't even care if you're mean to him. Even if like you was mean to him, he'd still step up onto you. He's too soft. He's too kind. Look, why would you want to step up onto that? Why? Weirdo. Then them two, the boyfriend and girlfriend couple, are just chilling. The baby. Look with the little baby. Or they're the size one. They're not a very happy couple. We need to. So if anyone knows that anyone who has any very, very fat girl budgies,
Yeah.
please give us one because Nico needs a girlfriend.
He does.
A fat one. I wish Kiki was still here.
No, wait.
Kiki and Lulu. I wish they were still here. That would have made.
Don't you
good
mean
girlfriend.
Summer?
No,
Kiki and Lulu.
the big fat green ones. You probably can't remember Lulu.
Yeah, I can.
Alessia, you about killed him.
It's okay. Okay.
Never trust Alessia with any kind of animal. She will kill it in like a day.
I've had a dog for nearly 8 years.
That's a dog.
Goodbye.
No, wait. We need to do some modelling, okay? Come on, Nico.
What of a soul?
My modelling
I'm
stuff.
doing that. Hello.
Oh, please don't fly off. Maximum weight. Nico, you're over maximum weight. can't go on the stool.
What?
On the stool it says maximum weight. And it says 50 kilograms and 101, whatever that says. Wait, no, get off. He's going to... Nico, you're going to break it. Nico. Okay.
Bye.
I think he listened right to the sign. Oh.
Say hi.
Nico's 11 pounds. I mean, 51. 51, no, he's 51 kilograms. You can't go on that.
Pack.
First you call him a bird a mare, then you call him a bird Paco, which is when his name isn't even Paco.
Misty, pineapple, Fred.
Put him in your mouth. He'll probably eat you, because he is hench.
Fat.
Right, so guys, we're going to end the video there.
Oh, wait.
It's kind of a random video, but stay tuned for the next one, because this sleepy and angry bird may get a shower, because we have a new product in our house today. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you all later. Bye.